Hi guys, got a different subject for the 3D printer this time. It's one of those fingerboards, like a skateboard but with your fingers. My grandson's got interested in them, so I had a look on Thingiverse and saw there was quite a few available. This one caught my eye. It's split in half and you have to glue it together. Obviously put the wheels on. I don't think it'll last very long because I've printed it in PLA, and PLA will split right where these hubs are for the wheels. Hubs, axles, whatever you want to call them. So that won't be very strong there. It is going to break. I just thought it was an interesting one to try printing. It's only just finished printing, so it's still hot, so I'll leave it alone. I think the filament might be getting a bit damp. The stringiness. When I say damp, it's just the moisture in the air. It's not like it's got water running through it. But when it's got moisture in it, that's when you tend to get this stringiness, apparently, so I'm told. Still, we'll let that cool down, glue it together and see if it's any good. Yeah, there's going to be no strength here at all. He's going to break it. He's broken the one he's been playing with, which was a properly made one, not a 3D printed one. I think it'll last about 5 minutes. And now we've got to glue them together with crazy glue, or super glue as I would call it. So I'll do that. I'll use those clamps to hold it still and super glue. Well, straight away we can see there's a problem. While it was printing, it's lifted a bit at one end. So we've got a gap. That's a problem with my printing setup, not a problem with the actual design. It's also very ridgy there. The layers are showing. I printed this on the best quality, so again, there's a problem with my printer. I'm going to fill that gap with super glue and baking powder. All right, focus. And I can sand that down. It should look okay. I could rub it down a bit more, but you can see how it looks at the moment. Not perfect, but at least it's up together. I'll see if I can get the wheels on it. Yeah, it sort of works.
you can get ball bearing ball races to go on there instead of the wheels. I think that'll do for now. I'll see what my grandson thinks of it. I think he'll think it's rubbish compared to the one that he had. But it was worth downloading to have a look. There is another board shape in the same file that's bigger. And you can print the wheels individually, so you could print them different colours.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.